Is your team missing deadlines? Is this causing your company to lose future projects? Are your SOLIDWORKS users not performing as efficiently as possible? It may be time to look at your current processes, design practices, or even your hardware. The CADimensions CAD User Productivity Assessment can dig into some of these issues that you may be having. So how does it work? Your team would determine up to 3 users to perform an interview with one of CADimensions' technical experts. They will look at your system specifications, design practices, and ask for your biggest pain points during your normal working day. Next, if you have any troublesome files, you can upload them to your technical expert. The CADimensions team will then compile the information to develop a report for you and your team. The report will also be presented to your team, and any questions will be answered at that time. CAD User Productivity Assessment can be the tool to get your CAD users back to being more productive to help your company with the bottom line.